Hi, I'm Dr. Fletcher Perry from examsolutionprovider.com. Today, I'll be looking at maths as related to nursing in terms of applying maths in calculation of doses for medication for patients. Giving patients correct doses is extremely important in medicine. Whether it's a doctor or a nurse, medication need to be prescribed correctly. Medication are calculated, or medication doses are calculated based on the weight of the patient. So most of the doses utilized, they are going to be per kilogram or per any measure of the body weight that actually is being used. Medication are both good and dangerous. They are foreign bodies, therefore they can damage our body, particularly if we are not given the correct amount. There's also quite a common problem in terms of what is called medication errors, and the medication errors can be fatal. They can actually kill the patient. If patients are given not enough doses or enough medication, then they will take longer to get better, or their conditions will get worse. So it's extremely important that they get correct amount of medication based on their weight. If they are given too much, then it's going to damage our liver as well as other organs in the body. As I've already said, obviously they can cause death or even damage with a poor prognosis or some complications in our patients. Some patients are more vulnerable to medication than the others. Therefore, we need to pay more attention, particularly when we are giving medication to children and also giving medication to elderly people, and also those who have got underlying conditions, including pregnant mothers. So all these need to be taken into account. Medication errors are very common in the hospital, in nursing home, and in any other settings where people are expected to be given medication. Okay, so we know that the nurses, they require to know some maths. Okay, at least they should have a GCSE maths, and this GCSE maths is to help them to calculate doses correctly. Now, this video was actually prompted by tutorial support that I was giving my wife, who is undergoing studies in as a nursing associate. I think they call themselves, nursing associate program, right? Which in their program, one of the modules, they require to calculate medication. So she found the tutorial support I gave her very useful, and definitely it has helped her because she has been very successful in her exam. Therefore, she prompted me to see whether other people might obviously benefit. So I'm going to look at a few questions, going through questions with you, which obviously I use to help my wife prepare for the exam. Any other person who might be pursuing a course which require calculation of the doses, obviously can benefit from this video. It's more probably like a revision. Okay.